Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdi Zakwan bin Abdul Talib. My matrix number is 06DEQ24F1097. Here, I'm going to explain what is transistor as a semiconductor device and what's the transistor type and its terminals. So first, we need to know what is transistor as a semiconductor device. A transistor is a small electronic component made from semiconductor material such as silicon, designed to control electrical signals in circuits. It consists of three layers formed by combining p-type and n-type semiconductor materials in specific arrangements. Transistors are commonly used to amplify signals or act as switches in various types of electronic devices and systems. They operate by controlling the flow of current between two terminals, using a third terminal to regulate the operation. Now, we'll already know what is transistor as a semiconductor device. So now, I'm going to show you how to determine the type of transistor and its terminal. To begin, you need to find out whether the transistor is NPN or PNP. Set the range to 10 ohm. Place the red probe on the middle pin, which is usually the base, and touch the black probe to the other two pins one at a time. If you get the same reading from both, the transistor is PNP. After identifying the base and type of transistor, you can determine which of the remaining two pins is the collector and which is the emitter. Set the range from 10 ohm to 10k ohm. You need to reverse the probe. Put the black probe on the base, then touch the other probe to the two remaining pins. The one that gives a slightly higher voltage reading is the emitter, and the one that gets no reading is the collector.
Hello, my name is Fakri Daniel and this is BD 140 and I will demonstrate step by step to determine type of transistor and its terminal. First, put red probe to the negative terminal multimeter and black probe to the positive terminal multimeter. Then change the multimeter scale to 10 ohm. Put the red probe to the first terminal and black probe to the second terminal, and we get infinity value of ohm. Then put the black probe to the third terminal and we get 70 ohm. Then switch to black probe to first terminal, red probe second terminal, we get infinity ohm. So the third terminal is base. Switch to scale 10 kilo ohm at the multimeter range. Put red probe to first terminal and black probe to second terminal. We get infinity value ohm. Put the black probe to the first terminal and red probe to the second terminal. We get 260 kilo ohm. So the first terminal is emitter, the second terminal are collector, and this is a PNP.
So now I want to identify terminal of transistor BC109. First, put a range of multimeter to 10 ohm meter. I assume the terminal of the transistor is gate. I put to the positive probe to the middle transistor. I have a value. And when I change negative probe, I have same value. So the middle transistor is a gate. And I change my value to 10,000 ohm meter for identify collector emitter. I assume at the right transistor is the collector. I put positive probe and negative probe. And the value is infinity. When I change the probe, the value is still infinity. So this is emitter. That's all.
Firstly, we need to use 10 times ohms. Then we put red probe at leg 3 and black probe at leg 1. Then we got reading 70 ohms. Without moving the red probe from leg 3, we change black probe to the leg 2 and the result still same.